name's Frank Alston, and I have with me today a sweet potato. I actually have a couple sweet potatoes. Now, sweet potatoes are from the root of a plant. Now, what the root does is it holds a plant tight to the earth, and it also gathers the nutrients or energy that a plant needs from the ground. One of my favorite places to find out more about how a plant grows and also about what a root does is from community gardens. So community gardens are in neighborhoods all around Philadelphia, and we can find out so much from them. One of my favorites is called the Life Do Grow Farm up in North Philadelphia. What they do is not only grow fruits and vegetables that we might eat or that their community might eat, they also have event space and they gather community there. So what do you think of when you hear the word root? For myself, I think of home, I think of family, and I also think of music. When I'm in my garden, which I am now, I feel so many of those things. Sometimes listen to music, and I am home.
Hi, I'm Shayna, and I love sweet potatoes because they're so versatile. You can eat them savory or sweet, canned or fresh, cooked or raw. And when I am having a picnic or I'm inside and it's hot and I don't want to turn on the stove, sometimes I like to turn my sweet potatoes into ribbons. And that makes this tough sweet potato, tough stuff into a flexible ingredient that is easy to work with and really tender to eat without cooking. I make the ribbons by carefully using a peeler, like that. Today I'm going to make a lettuce taco with sweet potato ribbons, almonds, some cucumber, some orange, squeeze, a little salt, some hot pepper, black pepper, and oil for some picnic outside tacos. What might you make with sweet potatoes?
Hey, sweet potato. You remind me of the words rooted and grounded, and the feelings of being calm and centered, connected to the earth. When I feel overtired or overwhelmed or disconnected, I like to practice grounding postures in yoga, and I love to share a couple with you. One posture I like is child's pose. I come to my hands and my knees. I sit back on my heels, rest my belly on my thighs, lengthen my spine, and bring my forehead toward the ground. Another posture I like is legs up the wall. I sit on the ground, bring my side right up against a wall, gently roll onto my back. And I lengthen my legs up the wall. If you'd like to learn more, you might go to Google or YouTube and type in the keywords grounding yoga or yin yoga. Or try different movements that feel right in your body, that help you to feel calm and centered. Remember that you are the expert on you. What other kinds of things do you like to do to feel grounded and centered? Think about it and have fun. Happy cooking and happy grounding.